if you want to take a high-resolution photo. Then click on the Options menu, the 3 dashes. And then on High-Resolution Screenshot. Well done, you just took a high-resolution picture. In the Output log you can filter the logs by clicking Filters, then Categories. And from there you choose what you want to filter. If you want to save some code for other projects, then select the blocks and copy them. Put them in Notepad and save it. And when you need it, just select it and paste it where you want. You want to know what it's doing every time you open your game. Then select the blocks and press C. Well done, you just made a comment. Now put a good description for you that you can understand. If you need to optimize, then go to Settings. And from there to Engine Scalability Settings. And there select the best settings for your game. You want to be able to tell the folders apart from afar at a glance. Then go to the folder you want to change the color of. And right-click. And set color and put on the color you want.